Dr. Shri Krishna Joshi, she is my wife Vaijayanti Joshi. We are from Maharashtra, Ahmednagar. Now it is called as Ahilyanagar. So many years back, about 25, 30 years back, we had been to Kerala and in Munnar also. But at that time, the Munnar was altogether different. Now altogether different. The natural beauty is same, but the hotels they are changed. I am coming first time in this hotel, and the experience of this hotel was very tremendous, very nice, very good. All the ambience was good, the food was good, the residence was good, rooms were very nice, service was very nice, and all the staff they were so polite and so humble that we were really admired them, and it was a very good experience for me. Super sir. हिंदीत सांगा.
नमस्ते, मैं मिसेस जोशी फ्रॉम अहिल्यानगर. डॉक्टर साहब ने सब बताया है, मेरे लिए कुछ छोड़ा ही नहीं है बोलने के लिए. फिर भी मैं बोलती हूँ कि स्टाफ ने इतना प्यार दिया है कि बार बार आने के लिए जी कर रहा है यहाँ. और कैंडल लाइट डिनर वॉज फैंटेस्टिक एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस. ज़िंदगी में पहली बार अभी हम 25 कंट्री में जाके आए हैं.
पूरी दुनिया में 25 देश घूमे हैं हम, और पूरा भारत घूमे, फॉर द कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी एंड द्वारका टू आसाम.
बट ये एक्सपीरियंस फर्स्ट
yeah.
टाइम कैंडल लाइट डिनर.
Candlelight dinner.
वेरी
It was
फैंटास्टिक,
very
वेरी
nice.
एक्सलेंट, वेरी नाइस
And we have seen first time so polite staff.
स्टाफ.
Thank you so much, and we will definitely recommend this hotel in Maharashtra. Okay.